I decided to become a ServiceMaster Restore owner because when I was 19, 21 years ago, I was a carpet cleaner and wanted to stay in the industry, and I knew that ServiceMaster had the best name in the industry. Originally, I had a couple of goals for my business. I wanted to grow past $5 million, and I wanted to make it to the premier trip that ServiceMaster does every year. For me, the greatest challenge as an owner has been balancing family time with running a business on my own that is the size it is now, 67 employees and no partners to speak of. My greatest success, I believe, since taking over the business is reaching the $10 million mark. The main ways in which our business has changed is that we've added other counties. We no longer just service San Diego County. We've added more people, and we are a much more sales-driven organization than we ever were. The biggest thing that happened to myself and the business in the last year is we finally started to mobilize. We went out to Houston to help with Hurricane Harvey. We also went to Northern California for the wildfires. The team really responded well to just helping and being a part of an outreach. But it was a great learning experience as well, and we're ready for when the next hurricane hits. My greatest challenge going forward is to put together a senior management team and to grow past 70 employees. If I was to give advice to somebody that wanted to grow, I would tell them to talk to other people that have been successful, that have grown in their business, and spend time with them.